Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can create location or set location on your Instagram story. So this is simple tutorial, just follow me, then you will learn how can you do it. So go to Instagram and click on your story. Okay, you can see here story icon, click on it, and this is the interface of story. So you can uh, pick up your camera, or you can set up your image. Just pull down, swipe here, and choose your image which you want to share in your story. Okay, this one. Then click sticker. Okay, here you can see sticker, click on it. Then the first one you can see here location. Okay, click on it. So here is the option select a location. If you turn on location service, then your location, exact location where you are living right now, you can see your exact location in your own location. Okay, so if you want to set the another location, I think which place you have um, you have captured your image, you can set that place name. So I just write here, for example, USA. So this one, and you can set it on your story. So after finishing your setting the location, then send to and share your story. Okay, here and then. So after finishing this story, you can check it out what happened, and click on it. Okay, view location. So when you click view location, it will go to Google Map, I think. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.